Hello friends, Erica from ericarock.com, and today I want to do an ancestral clearing prayer for the world during turbulent times, such as the times that we're in. Every month I do a energy upgrade telecall, and I always write about the energy themes that we will be addressing on the call the month before. And when I went to do the write-up for April, I was shown some things that I had resistance to sharing. I don't like putting people into fear, and I like trying to give a good, loving perspective. But it was so in my face that the energy of war would be up in April. And part of that is the war, the conflicts that rage on within us. And that's being reflected in the outer world. And then bam, right on the solar eclipse, the US and Iran started to get into it. And things are unraveling, and that story is still unfolding. But I'm just amazed at what's going on in the world. And I'm also really amazed, and I want to say, for all of you light workers, shadow workers, light bearers, prayer warriors, visionaries, mystics, Gnostics, human beings who have a beautiful heart, everyone's standing really strong despite the energies being so intense, and we're on this roller coaster ride, right? And we're just we got our seatbelt and our harness, and we're like, dear God, help me get through this. And there's a lot of ups and downs, and it feels like we are being turned inside out. But all of this, it's like all this stuff is emerging that has been in the shadows, that perhaps are blind spots for us. And I know that these things, these energies, they've been working on us, and we're like a diamond in this pressure. It comes and goes and comes and goes. And it just happens that now the pressure is just 1,000 times what we're used to. And yet I'm seeing more loving acts of kindness, of sweetness, of forgiveness, of compassion, of being able to see and shift into a higher perspective than ever before. And so I say to you, as I have been saying, the light, it is already written. The light is going to be victorious. And really all we must do is just be and radiate and shine and stay in our heart as much as we possibly can. And then for the times we fall out of that, forgive ourselves and be sweet to ourselves, because it can be very challenging to hold that kind of vibration all the time. So we are all in this together, walking hand in hand, and we're going to get through it. So come join me for this ancestral clearing prayer for the world during turbulent times. Come sit with me, relax, close your eyes, take some nice deep breaths. And as I speak this cleansing prayer aloud, simply allow the words to wash over you. You don't have to think about anything. Just roll with it. Just be with it. Hold sacred space for yourself. Okay? So I'll begin. Divine Spirit, all that you are, always were, and ever will be. For all of our ancestors throughout all space, time, dimension, and all realms, we thank you for all of your blessings that you always give us. Your love unconditionally, we bow to you in love and gratitude, and ask for your grace and to shower your love over this hurting world and help ease and heal us, please and thank you. For all the times of prejudice, ridicule, bullying, or oppression, and any and all violence that occurred as a result of it, please help us forgive all those involved for all of it, and help us to forgive ourselves, please and thank you. for the times we've resisted changes that were inevitable, and for the suffering that ensued because of our resistance. For all of the times we held back and couldn't or wouldn't give in full measure or at all. Please help us to forgive each other and ourselves, please and thank you. For the times we felt let down, and no matter what we did or which way we turned, we felt let down by others, ourselves, life, and even you, Infinite Creator. Help us all forgive everyone that had any part in any of this. Forgive you for turning your backs on you, and help us to forgive ourselves, please and thank you. For the times we felt trapped, imprisoned, or had nowhere to turn for understanding, solace, or relief, and for the times we were stubborn, fixed, and rigid in our point of view, for the times we couldn't see any other perspective but our own, for the times we suffered due to our own self-made limitations and beliefs, for the times we suffered due to the limitations and beliefs imposed on us by others, and for the times we imposed these onto others ourselves, for the times we lost our way, physically or spiritually. Please help us all to forgive one another and help us all to forgive ourselves, please and thank you. Help us to find the clarity, strength, and courage to look deeply into ourselves and clean out and heal any and all feelings of hatred and prejudice that live within us. Help us to see one another and ourselves through the eyes of compassion. Help us keep us from getting lost in any sense of separation, and to realize our connection to each other and to you, Divine Spirit. Please help us to remove judgment and allow us to be instruments for healing within ourselves and in the world. Please and thank you. Please surround us with your light. Protect us with your love. And bring us your sweet peace within ourselves and with one another, now and forever. Please and thank you, please and thank you, please and thank you. Amen. Aho, blessed be, so mote it be, and so it is. So take a nice deep breath in. Release. And notice how you feel now from just that one round of clearing. And my loving suggestion is that you listen to this at least 3 times. Each time it will be a different experience. Each time the clearing and the healing will go deeper. And thus there's an incredible feeling of lightness and peace and sweetness and love that you feel for yourself and all that is your brothers and sisters on this planet. So thank you for connecting in today and for receiving this. If you have any questions about ancestral clearing or want to share experiences, please post in the comments below. And if you know of someone that could benefit from this, please share it with them. I always appreciate that. So until next time, all of my love. Take care of each other. Take care of yourself.